Hello everyone. Today I am making eggless chocolate chip cookies. For preparation, first we take wet ingredients. In a large bowl, 1 cup salted butter. Since we are using salted butter, I am not adding extra salt. Half cup sugar and half cup brown sugar. Mix nicely. Now I am adding half cup milk instead of egg. One teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well until the sugar start to dissolve and everything comes together. Time for the dry ingredients. Place a sieve over the bowl and add 190 grams maida, half teaspoon baking soda and baking powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Sift it all and use a spatula. Gently fold the mixture. Now I am adding chocolate chunks. Chocolate chunks are way better than chips because they create gooey chocolate inside the cookie. Fold them into your dough. Portion your dough into equal size balls. Place it on a butter paper. Now cover it with cling wrap. Refrigerate for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I am removing cling wrap. Now baking time. 170 degrees, preheat 10 minutes. Place your chilled dough balls on a lined baking tray. Slide them into the oven. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes until slight golden brown. Let them cool for 30 minutes. Now our yummy chocolate chip cookies are ready. Enjoy with milk.